Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to list in Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to log in into your seller account. So make sure that you have, first of all, a seller account. So you can go to your shop manager and then it will take you to your shop. So in my case, I'm just going to log in into the other account first. Now that you are on the shop manager, there you will find your listings. So here in the menu, you would find like all these items. You will find the search menu, listings, messages, and here you will find your orders, etc. Now, what we are interested in is the listings. So basically, to add a listing, as you guessed, we will need just to simply click on Add Listing. By clicking on Add a Listing, you will need just to add a category. So basically, either it is a shirt uh, or whatever, so you will find like many categories and make sure to use like uh, the best describing category or the category that will give you the most visibility. So for example, choose this one and from here you can choose like either uh, hoodies or whatever. You click on continue. Now you can choose either it is a digital file or physical item, and here you can also like add all this information. So will basically you will need to make sure who made it and a finished product or a supply or tool. You will need just use this and you click on continue, and basically since you have used another company or person, you will need just to add these partner. So I'm just going to stick with I did, and it's made from scratch. You will add like all the items that you need, and then you click on continue. Now, after that you finished the basic stuff, you will need just to add the title, and here you will need like to add up to 10 photos and videos. So make sure that it has like the most visibility for your product, and you add everything, and then you click on publish. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.